Good morning, children. So last class I completed invoking a method. Now in this class also two more short answers questions I will complete. One is a difference between actual and formal parameters, and one more is a difference between pure and impure functions. So first one, actual and formal parameters, note down. So first to open your BlueJ, one sample program I will execute. So take the new class as actual and formal. Take the class name as actual and formal. One method. Main method. Take any three variables. X value as 5. Y value, for example, 10. Create an object with the name of F. Call the method add. Print Z value. Compile. No syntax errors. See, this is an invoking a method example. This is an invoking a method example. Now in this example, they will ask in the above snippet of code, what are the actual and formal parameters? What are the actual and formal parameters? Or give an example for formal and actual parameter, means you have to write this example. See, in this one method I used, that is add method. The function name is add and its return type is integer. Method modifier is public. Method modifier is public. Two arguments are passed in this function, that is a and b of the type integer. You know that what is a method header. The first line of the function definition is called as a method header. This is the first line of the function. So this is called as a method header. The parameters which are declared inside the method header are known as formal parameters. So see, that means in this code A and B are formal parameters. The parameters which are declared in the method header are known as formal parameters. So see, one more method I used, that is main method. Here total how many variables are used in this main method? X, Y and Z. Here X and Y are called as actual parameters. X and Y are called as actual parameters. That means the values which are actually passed to the method during call, we are calling from the main method. We are calling from the main method. So X and Y are called as actual parameters. So in the above snippet of code, A and B are formal parameters and X and Y are called as actual parameters. See, one more difference, see, formal and actual parameters. See, formal parameters are preceded by data type. Formal parameters are preceded by data type. Now observe, actual parameters are not preceded by data type. See, actual parameters are not preceded by data type. So what is formal parameters means? The parameters which are declared in the method header or function header are known as formal parameters, whereas actual parameters means the values which are passed to the method at the time of call from the main function are known as actual parameters. So this is the difference between formal and actual parameters. You have to write example compulsory, formal and actual parameters. Now one more short answer question, that is a pure and impure function. So note down what is pure and impure function. A pure function. Pure function is also called as accessor method. Pure function is also called as accessor method. It returns a value. It returns a value. It does not change the state of an object. It does not change the state of an object. Whereas impure functions, it is also called as mutator method. It is also called as mutator method. It will not return any value. It will not return any value. It changes the state of an object. It changes the state of an object. Now example C, pure and impure function. Open your BlueJ. Take the new class as pure and impure. This is also an important short answer question for you. For example, factorial program. Here function name is add. Function name is factor, sorry. F value initially 1. F is equal to F into I. So it always returns a value. So return F. For loop, one more place. See, no syntax errors. So pure function is always returns a value. So here this is an example for pure function. Now the only difference between pure and impure function is it returns and it will not returns a value. Now see, impure function example, see, void. It will not return anything. It will not return. Now see. So this is the difference between pure and impure function. Pure function means it will return a value. Impure function means it will not return a value. See here, void is there, it will not return. If int is there, it will return a value. So this is the difference between pure and impure function. So you have to write pure function means it is also called as accessor method. It returns a value. Impure function means it is also called as mutator method. It will not return a value. So next class I'll continue with the remaining. Thank you.